Let's be practical today. Let's go through the useful investment websites that we shared earlier at our Facebook post, Know How in Share. Okay, first one would be the Bursa Malaysia. Let's go to the Bursa Malaysia website. This is the website, bursamalaysia.com. Normally, we will check the company announcement. The official announcement would be here. If you would like to verify the news, the official news, this is the right website for you to go to. Okay. And also the market information. Let's say you wanted to know about the rules and regulation. This is the place for you to go. Okay, let's go to the company announcement. Under the company announcement, there are a lot of filter that we can use. We can choose by company or subcategory, category, or any keywords. So basically, normally we'll use the company. Okay, we can look at like IJM. Last week, they got news with KLK and also IJM Plantation. Let's go to the IJM Plantation. Okay, then we click on search. So we can see that the IJM Plantation news. So the news is sorted by the latest date. So here is all the announcement by the company so far. These are all the official announcements. So we don't need to worry about if it's fact or not. So this is the website for us to check. Okay, like last week, the proposed disposal of equity interest, Nigerian Plantation, we can click on it, read on the details. Sale and purchase agreement with Kuala Lumpur Kepong Berhad on the disposal of its entire equity interest. So this is the details of the announcement. Okay, next one we will go to malaysiastock.biz. Okay, this web portal provides the share price information and company background. Okay, let's go to the interface. This is the interface of the malaysiastock.biz. Okay, the homepage would be the latest quarter report of those companies. Like, for example, like last Friday on 11 June, what are the companies that announced their quarter report? So we can see here SEB, PHB, Mindtech, AirAsia, etc. So it's sorted by latest as well. Basically, if you wanted to look at the result information, let's say like, I think it should be last Wednesday, top left, we can look at the result here, the percentage. Okay, here is the summary, like last year compared with the last year same quarter. And then this is the detail. Let's say we wanted to see the full report. This is the full report, and also here the press release. You can look into it, or you can basically choose on the counter like just now. This here under the latest quarter report, top gloves, you can go into the company, click on it, then you can see the company information and also performance. So we can look at here the trade details, share price movement, financial informations, and financial highlight, the past performance, like the quarter reports for past years. Yeah, so you can track it. They got a few pages. So here you can compare in between the revenue and net profit, or depends on how you analyze the data. It's all here, the information is for you to explore. Let's say you click on here, so it will come out like just now, the details. You can go into the quarter report, the full report. You can compare the net profit, like compared to the preceding quarter or same quarter last year. Yeah, so that's all for you to check. And dividend chart. So this one is the dividend history. Here got the details as well. Let's say this one, the 9th June, you can click on the details. Then here got the summary and also remarks here. They got the X debt, exercise debt, entitlement debt, payment debt, and here. So they got the details here. So it's about 18 cents. It will be paid on 7th July, but will be exercised on 23rd June. Okay. Let's go to the next. If you would like to check about those like corporate exercise before, like bonus issue or right issue, you can look at here. They got the summary as well. Here you can look at it. Like last year, 2020, they got the bonus issue 2-1. You can click on the details. These are the information. You can read here the basis of 2 bonus shares for 1 existing ordinary share. Okay, so basically you can look at the latest headlines regarding the company as well from The Edge or Money King, Star Online. And the annual report is here for the past few years. Yeah, up to 2011 or maybe more. You can explore it out. Okay, let's go to the next one. KIC screener. Okay, normally QSE screener is about the same with Malaysia stock list, just different interface, but they got one powerful tools, which is we can use to screen the stock or warrant. Okay, let's go to the website. Here you go. This is the interface. This is the home page of the QSE screener here. So basically from here, right, you can choose what you wanted to screen. For example, if you would like to screen like the dividend yield, let's say around 4% or minimum 4%, and then the others you can choose. It's up to you, but let me just try with this 4% dividend yield per annum. Let's screen it. These are the results. We got 120 stocks found. These are the powerful screener. It shows it's filled up the shares that we might interest for the more than 4% dividend yield. You can look at here, the dividend yield, NTA, EPS, like Top Glove. We got Top Glove, Supermax, BNT, Bursa, Astro, etc. Yeah, these are all the information. It's for you to use, do your analysis, or you can just search for the stock. Let's say like just now, we say like Top Glove, right? We can go to Top Glove as well. And one more thing about here, good thing is they got the summary of the company. Let's say what is the company is doing. Let's say for Top Glove, it's a rubber glove manufacturer. So here is the summary of the company. Here, they consist of the background of the company as well. Company info, background, performance. Here, quarter reports, annual report, dividends, capital changer warrants. It's basically is about the same, just that they got the screener. That's their top things. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, how about if, let's say for global, if global like US, we can use Investingcom. Yes, this is the interface. Normally, the one we always use would be, we can check on the major index here, or index futures or real-time commodities. Let's go one by one. We go to the major index first. Okay, for major index, the interface will be like this. We can see here, like last Friday, how the performance of US market, Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nasdaq, here Germany, and Shanghai, China, Hang Seng, etc. Yeah, so we can check here for the summary and also the live performance during the day, but not today is weekend, that's why it's not running, and US market is at night time. Next, let's go to the index futures. Yes, from here we can check on the real-time stock index futures prices, but today is weekend, so it's not running. Normally, if it's running, right, the clock will be on green color. Yes, you can check on the US 30, US 500, US tech, the performance. Yeah, it's live. Okay, then the next one would be the real-time commodities. We can go to commodities, or we can check on others like stocks, ETFs, currency, fund, bonds, cryptocurrency. Okay, it's all here. You can exploit. Now we go to the commodities, real-time commodities. Let's check on the prices. Some of the favorite one would be the Brent oil, crude oil. You can check on the oil and gas prices, how it's performed. Let's say now last week cost at $72.59, and aluminium price, soybean price, etc. So you can also search on the company info. Let's say you like to check on the Facebook company, you can type on Facebook, click on it, go to the company, yeah, and check it out. Basic information, the price, how it's doing. We got the chart, we got the basic information about the performance, we got the news, analysis, etc. Yeah, you can search the company info, background, news, analysis. It's all here inside the investing.com. Let's go to the next one. Next one will be Seeking Alpha. Okay, if you are a US market trader that you always trade on US counters, I think this is the best website you can go to look at the analysis report or opinions from different individuals or research house. Let's go to the portal. Okay, this is the interface of the Seeking Alpha. Here, the best thing would be the trending analysis, like we mentioned. These are all the analysis report or opinions articles from different individuals. And also trending news. If you like to search on the counter, yes, you may do so. We will take Facebook as example. Let's go to Facebook, click on it. It's the same. You got all the summary, details, financial summary, fundamental, dividend history, etc. It's all here. Okay, the best one, like we mentioned, the analysis and news. Okay, analysis, you can see, is from Gen Analysis, European Views, SS Stocks to Watch, etc. It's from different individuals and also research house. So it's very useful. A lot of opinions and info there. You can go and have a look. Okay, next one, asstocks.com. If you are trading like Hong Kong market or China market, this is the website you should go to, asstocks.com, to look for the information, analysis, report, etc. Okay, let's have a look. This is the interface of asstock.com. We got different version. We can have the Chinese version as well. You can click it here for Chinese. Okay, or English is the one I'm using now. Here you got the news as well, the latest news, etc., but more on China and Hong Kong company. Let's say we click on it, we search on Tencent. Okay, here you go. The company price, Tencent. Yeah, we can see the price. Price is here. And the important thing we can notice here would be the lot size. What is the minimum quantity to purchase? Because in Hong Kong market, right, each counter have their individual minimum lot size. So for this counter like Tencent, there are 100 units per lot. So minimum purchase would be 100 units, one lot. So you can look at here, 100, and look at the basic information, the details. You like to check on the reports, dividends, etc. It's all here. You can explore it. And this is the Shanghai and Shenzhen market. Yeah, you can have a look as well. So if you are trading Hong Kong and China market, here you go. This is the website for you. Okay, last one, Investorpedia. This one is like the dictionary for us, like search and understand the stock market terms. If you're not familiar, here you go. Okay, let's go to the website. Yeah, this is the interface. Normally what we need to do whenever we encounter those like alien terms, just go to here, the search, click on it and type it. Let's say bonus issue. Let's go and explore the bonus issue definition. Here you go. You got the bonus issue definition here. What is the bonus issue? Known as script issue or a capitalization issue, and offer of free additional shares. So it's here, your key takeaways, understanding the bonus issue, they got the example, etc. Advantages and disadvantages of issuing bonus share, stock splits and bonus shares. It's all here. It's a very comprehensive and complete explanation. Okay, let's look for the next one. Let's say profit taking. We go to profit taking. Search on the definition. Here, profit taking definition. Okay, what is profit taking? Profit taking is an act of selling a security. Okay, here you go. It's the step. We got the key takeaways, understanding the profit taking, taking profit in specific sector, etc. Yeah, it's all here. So whenever you encounter the terms that you not understand, this is the website you should go to, Investorpedia. That's all the useful investment websites that we shared to you earlier at our Facebook page, Know How in Share. Feel free to check it out. Thank you.